Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step how you can buy Force Dao. So the first thing you want to do, go to CoinMarketCap and find Force Dao. As you can see, it's right here. Then you want to go to contracts and copy the address. So as you can see, it's on the Ethereum network. So you want to make sure you use Google Chrome because we are going to use Metamask. You want to go to metamask.io and download this as an extension. So it will bring you over to this page, Chrome Web Store. Just install Metamask and then go to the extension tab right here and go to Metamask. Now you want to make sure you're on the main network, which is using the Ethereum network. So make sure you are using that. Now what you want to do, you want to go to Binance or any other exchange. You can also use Coinbase. Sign up for your accounts through the link in the description to get a bonus if you don't have it. Go to wallet, go to fiat and spot on Binance then. And then you want to find Ethereum. It's the second one. Withdraw, and we're going to send it to our wallet. So recipient Ethereum address, that's this one we just copied. Transfer network is Ethereum, and the amount, let's do 10 just as an example, okay? So I can do this because I don't have enough balance, but just enter in the amount you want, hit submit, and then you can check, go to MetaMask, and it will be deposited here within seconds. So the next step is go to Uniswap. So type in Uniswap in your browser, and it will bring you over to this page. Go to use Uniswap, and then as you can see, my one is already connected, but I'm going to do it again. So go ahead and hit connect right here for you, and then connect, okay? That's what you want to do, and it will look like this as well. Then we are going to enter in the amount we have. So if it's 10, just as an example again, then we have to select a token, but it won't be here available. So you want to go back to CoinMarketCap and copy the address again. Go to Uniswap again, paste it in, and here it will be the Force Dao. So it will give you this thing like trade at your own risk. Hit import, and there you go. Now you can buy your own Force Dao. If this video helped you out, please leave a like, please subscribe, and see you next time. Have a good day.